Hey, I'm Lydia, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Resin Rockers snow globe pens. Resin Rockers was kind enough to send me their new snow globe pen kit so that I could try it out and show it to you. And so big shout out to Resin Rockers for sending that kit over. In the kit, you get 10 customizable snow globe pens, glitter, soft UV resin, and a bottle of the Magic Flow liquid with a syringe. Now, before I get into the tutorial, make sure that you tap the subscribe button so that you never miss any of my videos. Okay, let's get started. Now, everything you need to make the snow globe pens comes in the kit, but I wanted to do a little something extra. So I purchased the funky floral combo set of clay pieces from the Resin Rockers website. They have clay pieces and combo sets for everything under the sun, so make sure you check it out because they'll really add that special touch to any pen that you make. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take the pen apart so I can fill it. And you just pull the top from the bottom and it comes right apart really easily. I'm using a craft clamp to stabilize the top so I don't have to hold it the entire time. Then I'm gonna fill the syringe with this Magic Flow liquid and set it to the side. I'm gonna be filling this pen with the smiley face flowers and some of the glitter that came in the kit. To fill the pen, I'm using a layering technique. So I'm gonna start with the Magic Flow and then I'll add some of the clay pieces and then a little bit of the glitter and then more of the Magic Flow liquid. And I'll repeat that process until I fill the pen all the way to the top. Now that I've filled the pen, it's time to seal it. Each snow globe pen comes with a little silicone cap that separates the snow globe part from the rest of the pen. So to seal it off, I'm inserting the cap at an angle to push out any extra air and then pressing it as far in as I can into that snow globe compartment. Then I'm going to use the soft UV resin to create a seal on top of that cap. I'm making sure to go all around the edges to make sure there's no leakage at all. Once I cure it, it's ready to reassemble. I just push the snow globe top into the pen base and it fits together. And that's it. I've made a snow globe pen out of glitter, the Magic Flow, and the smiley face flowers. And it turned out awesome. I'm gonna make another pen just to have a little variety. And so I'm gonna speed it up a bit so you can see the process, and then I'll be back at the end for my final thoughts. I've had a lot of fun making these pens and they both turned out so beautiful. And I really love how easy this whole process is. I feel like this is a great craft that you could do with friends or even children. Like, this is so super easy. And also, if you don't want to use a liquid, you don't have to. You can just put the pieces in and not add any liquid into it. And in that case, it would become a shaker pen rather than a snow globe pen. But these are super cute and fun to make. And I'm so thankful to Resin Rockers for sending me this kit. And if you want to get your own, make sure to check out resinrockers.com to see all that they have to offer. And if you want to see another personalized pen video, watch this video next.